these people are acting like they've never seen snow before.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
I forgot this is not Snapchat.
Okay. One more time for the camera, please.
I was telling Jalen that he's been family to my mom, to my dad, to my grandma, to my uncle, but specifically to me and to Tam. Been family. Now he can't get rid of me because we fam!
I don't want to get rid of her. I love her.
Aww.
I love her so much.
Oh, I love you, baby.
Okay, I'll save it. So I just wanted to make a video to point out that America's real f***ed up for this, okay? You see this? You see this wall? This is what they use to protect children in residential areas from running onto the highway, right? Now, when we get a chance to get a little bit higher than the media, I'll show you the other side, and I'll show you where their defense is for animals. Look how high this wall gets, yo. Like, where do you get the money to put this much bricks? You could have donated half them bricks to Africa. You could have built 6 homes. All right. So we're approaching. Okay. Now, you see the defense against animals? Oh, matter of fact, look. Nothing. Nothing, my nigga. This tiny little rail guard. I'm shaking my head. My cat's been yelling at me since we left. Talking about, look at this. This is crazy, yo. This is crazy. Look, they got it on the other side too. They have.
Damn, they have wide space over there. Mad broken.
Mad wide space. Mad room for animals to just come and jump over this fence and get smacked by one of these cars going at least 70.
And it's mad deforestation. So they go thinking that they got mad woods, and it's like, oh.
Mad deforestation, yo. There's no fucking protection from them from predators anymore. They got nothing but wide open space for them. Look, say it again, Tam. Speak your mind, mama.
Go ahead, girl.
One more time.
What you gotta say?
Close.
Free your mind.
See? We all having a fit about it.
Is this snow?
Right, baby?
I'm pissed the f off. I am, though, genuinely. Don't take this smile for granted. Because this is it can get...
Look at all that fake ass grass up there.
Protect the wildlife.
It's fucking December. I don't expect to see no... Oh,
What?
do you see that?
No.
Do you see that snow?
Yeah.
It's snowing.
That's why
I gotta go,
That's
y'all.
why I started stuttering.
Look at all this snow.
Yet. And we still are by dumb fries and man asses. Y'all gotta see the sign, yo. I hope they show it again. If they don't, I'll just find it on Google and post it at this point of the video now. Well, that says dumb fries and man asses. Hey. I am a nervous wreck, but I trust Jalen and he's good at driving in the snow, so we switched. We just started snowing out of nowhere, and it's been all these cars swerving off the side of the road. I was done when I saw a car swerve backwards and then forward and then straight in through 3 lanes, so glad that I have a boo I can trust. And he had set up a sticky situation when there were like mad cars swerving at once. This one car just straight up stopped. She was like a Kia Fiat or something like that. I don't know if that's the same thing, but like it was one of those Kia Fiat looking cars, or Fiat looking cars. I don't know if that's a Kia. But long story short, like the car like came slowly swerving in front of us. Then the other car next to her just stopped, and then like Jay like slowly pressed the brakes. I thought we were good. I thought we were done. I was like, well, gotta get in the tail light. But you know what? Jay handled that. Now we're going 21 miles an hour.
21. We are on the highway alone.
Alone, yo.
You can't even see more than like 20 miles an hour.
They have not cleared any of the roads yet.
Not 20 miles. More than a mile.
I'm like, damn, you can see 20 miles down the road. The next rest stop is not until 107 miles, and we have 95 miles in gas. So let's see how this goes.
Wait, there's an exit in another mile. So we'll be alright.
Thank you, baby. You know me, panic tea. Don't laugh too hard. Not playing. I'm playing.
I love you,
I love you too, my love.
Yo, the tracks are disappearing.
Okay. Damn. I hate when it's like a pile up, like mad, like 3 different cars being f***ed up at once.
Yeah, but what happened with him?